Hello guys, came wanted to say hi, but no, for real. The real reason I came out is because I think this cucumber is ripe or good. Look how big it is. So I think I'm gonna pick it. So I heard all you gotta do is it got spikes on it. Yeah, they got spikes. I'm gonna rub these spikes off. Why cucumber have spikes, y'all? Excuse that noise. My neighbors on their four-wheeler or a three-wheeler riding down the street. But anywho, I'm gonna pick this now. Ow, no, these spikes really hurt, y'all. No, these are real spikes like on the rose bush. Oh no, hold on, y'all. Let me pull some on down or something. I like how this looks, so I'm gonna pick it. I heard it's supposed to be yellow or something, but it do feel hard. Do it supposed to be hard like that? Should I let it go some more? It's pretty hard. I mean, I'm guessing cucumber's supposed to be hard, right? Like, what the hell is I'm saying right now? I'm like, it's hard, but don't it supposed to be hard? This thing, I'm just shocked that this thing had real spikes. And it actually hurts. Wow. Huh. Okay, I'm gonna let it stay right there because I'm gonna let it get darker green. So scratch that. I'm gonna have to redo this video. That's alright. I have another cucumber growing right there, but I don't know if that one's gonna dry up or turn into something. And other than that, I'm just waiting on these to bud so I can get some more. The cucumbers have grown since the last time I made a video. See how the vines. Shout out past the purple pink tape. Are these? They growing good. My other cantaloupe. I had to water today. My leaves are turning yellow, so I had to water. Look at these. My strawberries dying on me. They are dying on me. I'm gonna cut these. I'm gonna cut these yellow strawberries. They're my handy dandy pruners. I think an ant or a spider just crawled on me. But anyway. That one cut. I'm gonna cut these. So let's see. I'm gonna cut the ones that's dying because girl, it's dying. So it need to be cut. So I'm gonna cut it here. Let's go down. Hold on. I don't even think y'all can see that. Y'all might not be able to see this cut though. Trying to move it out. Right here. And I cut it off. And I'm gonna cut this one too. Right here. Cut that off. And boom, that one's gone. Cause this, yeah, it's dying, y'all. Cut this one too. Boom. And it's off to the races. So that's the strawberry leaves. Look at my marigolds blooming. I'm trying to see what else need to be clipped. Because the water. And these. So everything else looks fine. This turning yellow. We're gonna see. But no, that's it. That's all the yellow leaves. Oh nope, I lied. Here go one right here. Let me take these and cut it. So I cut that. I don't think nothing else needs to be cut. I need to pick these because they about overdue. They blooming now. Oh, dang. You know what? I thought I over left them dry out. I need to probably dig these up. Let me pick some off here while I'm here. Let me do a little pick. Because now they're turning into, they buffing out. I guess they go through different type of transformations if you don't pick it. I didn't know that. So if you don't pick your lettuce, the seeds gonna puff up like this. It's almost like one of them, I forgot, them dandelions that turn into this, and you can blow it off. So yeah, well, it looked like I missed out. Wow. Or they probably drop all their seeds in the ground. Some of them seeds drop. So I need to pull these out, but now I'm trying to pick I'm trying to pick it off to see if it got it in there. Yep, the seeds in here. Oh fuck, there we go. So I'm gonna pick these off. Like that, pluck them. Like this, pluck them off. Like that. And for your seeds, these are where your seeds are. On this little thing right here. Just pull. Oop. And all your seeds is in that pot. So I'm gonna finish plucking these off. Okay, I'll make this real quick. Life is full of adversity. You still have to keep going. And if you're messing with the content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you can know every time I drop a video. And until next time, keep getting after soil. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.